Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about IELTS. Now we prepare a new playlist about IELTS. Here we will discuss about IELTS band score and 9 how you can achieve and tips and tricks. Besides we decide how question your question and answer. Please don't skip any video and follow fully. You can watch every video, otherwise you miss some information, important information. That's why I recommended you please for watching this full video and follow the direction. You can give your IELTS exam IDP Center, British Council Center, or Cambridge English Center. Anywhere you give your exam. However, it should be noted that the headphone or soundbox is used in the spoken exam at the center where you are going to give the exam. Now I tell you how the examiner marked you and provide your band score. They are at first they if you exam complete your exam, then they mark, and if you listening is 8 band and reading 7.5, writing 7 and spoken 7.5, then the summation total mark and then divided by 4, and the band score is 7.5. That means at first the summation full marks your, and then divided 4, as the section is 4 section, so they divided 4 and the mark is 7.5. If you achieve 7.73, then they give you 8 band score. If you 6.4 or 6 under 6.5, you achieve 6, or upper 6.5, you achieve 7. I hope you will understand. You can see this is IELTS listening score. Right side is band score and left side is correct answer. Please pause the video and screenshot this picture. IELTS reading score. Here you can see right side is band score, left side is correct answer. If your correct answer is 39 to 40, you achieve 9. 32 32, you achieve 7. Please pause the video and screenshot this picture. IELTS speaking score. Here you can see the examiner asks you 3 parts of question, and first part the examiner asks you some about yourself, some question, relevant question. Then part 2 they provide you a quick card, and here you can see some question, any topic, selected topic such as traveling. The quick card you can see where are you go to travel, with whom do you go to travel. That's all. But here the main thinking is fluency, grammar and accuracy, lexical resource and pronunciation. IELTS writing score dependent your grammar, pronunciation and sentence making. That's all. Then it will be dependent your reading criteria. If you watch my every video, you can learn how to score this band score. You can achieve the 9. At last, I say you always remember that you can do it. You can do it. If you believe it, you can do it. Then you can achieve your best performance. You can provide your best performance, and you can achieve your goal. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment your important any question. Ask any question, please comment below. Thanks for watching.